Best of Tony Robbins motivational quotes. The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. In life, you need either inspiration or desperation. Success is doing what you want to do, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, as much as you want. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. Identify your problems, but give your power and energy to solutions. It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. Your past does not equal your future. The secret of success is learning how to use pain and pleasure instead of having pain and pleasure use you. If you do that, you're in control of your life. If you don't, life controls you. The only way to effectively overcome fear is to face it. Success is doing what you love and providing a service that helps others.